No warning. No warning. No. Lock in. Now. No warning when the dark rolls in. No mercy when the fear digs in. The lights flash red and the air gets thin. That's where the weak break down within. No fake heart and no borrowed flame. No paper crown in the pressure game. Every scar, every rep, every drop of sweat, built for the moment they won't forget. Steal your breath, let the panic die. Cut through noise with the sharpened eye. Valotech sets the standard high. Train too late and you pay too high. Eyes cold, jaw tight, stand hard on the night. No warning, no retreat. Valotech training built for heat. Mind like iron, blood runs cold. Stand your ground, hold the line. No warning, no escape. Break the fear, control the pace. When the world turns black outside, stand prepared or get left behind. Or get left behind. Chaos hits and the weak collapse. Frozen hands in the mind that cracks. That's why discipline gets built in blood. Under pressure, in dirt, in mud. Military law, civilian side, different roads. Same truth collide. The moment won't care what you almost knew. It will judge what training carved in you. Breathe on command when the heartbeat spikes. Move with force when the danger bites. Valotech forged in the pressure zone, teaching you how to stand alone. Stay sharp, stay mean, move fast, stay clean. No warning, no retreat. Valotech training built for heat. Mind like iron, blood runs cold. Stand your ground, hold the line. No warning, no escape. Break the fear, control the pace. When the world turns black outside, stand prepared or get left behind. Kill the doubt, master pain. Train the body, rule the brain. See the threat, take command. Calming chaos, make the stand. No shaking, no delay, no surrender, not today. Now decide, Valotech training, stand and rise. Eyes wide open, spirit locked. When the pressure hits, you do not stop. No warning, no disguise.